How to track Ethereum transaction. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can check the status of an Ethereum transaction. Check the status of an Ethereum transaction. Here's how you can do it. The first thing is you need to select an Ethereum blockchain explorer. So for that, some blockchain explorer are specific for Ethereum, such as Etherscan, ETH Explorer, the ETH VM, and others support multiple chains such as blockchain.com and token view, among others. So in order to do that, first thing you have to enter the transaction hash into the blockchain explorer service field. So then on the Etherscan, for example, the search field is on the top left hand side corner of the screen. Next to the drop down that says all filter. Depending on the tool, a user can search for information based on a wallet, address, transaction hash, TX ID, block token, or domain name as well. Then you have to copy the transaction hash into the search bar. Then the TX ID is a unique identifier attached to a specific transaction, and all the transaction carried out on chain or those to and from confirms external address carry a unique TX ID found in the transaction details as well. Now depending on a platform, it can also call as hash. It usually looks like a string of random letters and numbers on MetaMask. For example, a user can instantly see the TX ID upon clicking the activity tab and selecting the transaction. So that's basically how you can see the status of your Ethereum transaction. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.